Okay, let's see. So it says activity A is a starting activity. So we make our start node, we make the lines inside, we give this a number, we make our duration line, and we write our first number. So A is for how many months? 2 months. A, okay, there we go. A is for 2 months. Then begin when A is complete. Activity B begins when A is complete. That means this comes out from here and we put activity 2 here. And this is, let's make the lines a bit smaller because then it's not going to fit. Okay. B is for 4 months. Then activity C begins when B is complete. That means we make a node here. Okay. It's number 3. And C is how many weeks? Months? 2 months. Then D begins when C is complete. Okay. This
Also, monsieur, your voice is like breaking
is
up.
number 4. So D and E. Yes, yes, yes. What are you saying?
No, I was saying
Were you
you're
saying anything?
breaking.
Is my screen not sharing?
No, your voice is breaking.
My voice was breaking. 1 second. 1 sec. I'm switching my Wi-Fi. Hmm. Okay, this is what I have available right now. Okay, let me know if it breaks again, okay?
Okay.
I think it's because I am uploading lectures on Google Drive. I was uploading them before your class, so I think it's slow because of that.
Okay.
So activity D is taking 3 months, and activity E is taking 1 month. F begins when D is complete, so we put F here. F is for 3 months, and G begins when F is complete, so this is 4. So if I look at your critical path, this is where you stopped,
Yeah.
right? And you, in fact, you even made a note after G. Why was that made?
Like, because it was
Was that your end note?
Yeah.
Okay. So because we cannot leave this guy alone, and this is where the activity ends, as we see. We're going to draw the end node somewhere in the middle over here. Okay, this is our end node. And we're going to connect G over here and E from here. Does that make sense now?
Yeah.
Okay, so it goes like this. Wow, it looks really bad. Just for my OCD, just fixing this. Okay, so this is going to be our end node, and we're going to give this the number 7. Why do you have 8 nodes? Do you have 8, 6, 7, 8? Why do you have 8?
No, because I
Uh,
chose an extra one, right? Like after E.
Yeah. This is what I was telling you last time as well. This is what students do. They think that at the end of the line, you always have to draw a node. You never draw a node at the end of the line unless there is an activity happening after it. Okay?
Okay.
So, do you see there is no activity happening after E? So, we just kept it as an as it is line. And because that was the last activity on this end, we connect it to the end node. So, we have one end node and we connect G and E together on the end node. Does that make sense now?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so this is all clear for you now. Should we do the calculations now?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So let's do the math. Okay, dokie. So, 0. You tell me how do we go along. I'm just gonna do what you say.
Then you put 2 on the top.
Okay.
Then 6.
Okay.
Then 8.
Okay.
And then 11.
8, 9, 10, 11. Yes.
Then 14.
Perfect.
And then 15.
15 here.
Yeah.
We didn't choose this because 8 plus 1 would have been 9, which is a smaller number. Here we have a 15 as a total, so we take this one. This activity is called a floating activity. What's a floating activity? The activity that can be delayed. Because this one is going to be done in 9 months, this one will be done in 15 months. So we can delay this activity by 6 months. Do you
Okay.
get it?
Yeah.
That's why it's called a floating activity. Now let's go backwards now. 15 back down, then
So which one do you have to do?
you tell me. We're going back now, yeah?
Yeah.
So
Do I take 3 again?
it's gonna be this way, right? 15 minus 1, 14.
Oh, wait. Yeah.
Yeah. 14 minus 3 is
11.
11 minus 3 is
8.
8 minus 2.
6.
Yeah. 6 minus 4,
2. And 0.
2 minus 2, 0. This proves that we did our critical path correct analysis correctly. How do I show which one is my critical path?
You put like those 2 like dashes on the line.
Yes. Now tell me what is our critical path, by the way? Critical path. What are the critical activities over here? The ones that we use to add going forward are your critical path. So we chose A, we did B, C, D, F, G. So A, B, C, D, F, and G is my critical path. What is my floating activity? The one that delays? That's activity E. Yes? Does that make sense?
Yes, miss.
Okay, the other one, the next one, I want you to, you couldn't figure it out?
No, miss, because I made a mistake over here, so I thought I'd make a mistake in the other one.
Okay, never ever do that. This one now you're gonna do for homework, okay?
Okay.
Because you did this perfectly fine. The only thing you messed up was the extra node you made. Okay.
Yeah.
Again, I'm telling you, I told you earlier, never ever make a node unless there is a forward proceeding activity that's going forward. Okay. Until you know there's something happening after this, then make a node. Otherwise, keep the line empty until the end and then see what's going on. Never
Okay.
make extra nodes until there's something happening after it. Okay. So this
Okay.
is critical path. This is your next one. I'm going to send this one to you so that you can look back at it. Uh, The critical path lecture will be uploaded on our Google Drive, Google Classroom soon because I've uploaded them on Google Drive today. I'm sending this to you right now.
And critical path, there's something called dummy activities. What's that?
This is the same dummy activities, your same one as the one I told you, the flow